Hi guys, we are here, and this guy is a guy just came over, and he's a generator fixer because we got a food truck. So I want to know if he did good on fixing the generator. Daddy!
Yeah, bud.
Hi. Hi. You want to be on YouTube?
No, I don't.
Okay then. Okay then, I'll try and keep this thing away from you.
You're not doing a very good job.
Nah. Okay. I guess you can say that again. My friends aren't home yet. They live just across the street at the house. If I see any sign of them, I'll try and get them on too. Here's our food truck. Like us on Facebook, please. YouTube account. No, the food truck doesn't have a YouTube account. It's Flipside Burgers. Growing food truck something. Food truck rally in San Luis Village every Wednesday from 4:30 to 7:30. Try and be there.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah, try and be there.
You too.
Okay. How's the oil change coming, Daddy?
No oil change. No oil change. Look at that.
It's down quite a bit. You're lucky this didn't shut down. I
Just
just
giving it some oil.
It's so weird.
don't take much to burn off.
Okay. I'm going to get back to you very soon.
Okay.
You know, this thing it always looks like somebody's around the corner, but they're really not.
Right.
I don't know about it.
Okay. Dude, I'm gonna call you.
I guess that ain't happening either.
I'll give you a shout on Sunday.
24.
Either way.
Darn it. There goes the white car.
Yeah, it's
Darn.
Yes, it does.
Keep it
Yeah,
posted.
no problem. I'll pass those numbers on for sure. Yeah, I appreciate that. Because I see those guys every week.
Yeah. And I'm
Hey,
sure those
Daddy,
guys always have
are you
issues.
sure you don't want to be on
30
the...
South has had more generator issues than I've ever heard of.
Yeah. 'cause
Hey,
you know what?
Daddy, are you sure you don't want to be on YouTube? You could be famous.
Unfortunately, I guess they were stupid on the track.
Your car. Is your car coming? I'm gonna keep it posted. I'm not. Stop it. This is recording. Let's go check through the truck. I'm not sure what it looks like. Alright, let's look through the truck. There's stuff on here.
It'll shut down under voltage.
Hey, Daddy!
Okay.
Daddy.
So that's what happens.
There's a
They're
guy
all
right
features
through the
of
window looking at you. Oh. Not anymore. Daddy, what was that for?
Okay, I'll turn it on right now.
started in here.
I have a button.
Darn it.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Yeah, this one, you hold it down for 5 for the private, or you can just turn it on. Right? And then when you push it the second time, all your lights come on. Perfect.
Whoa. Oh, your lights come on. Oh, lights.
And that's when
I want the
everything's-
lights.
That's when your fridges turn on and everything. That one. Now they're on. The
fridge
Daddy?
down there. So you can plug these in at night or whatever.
Daddy, I was
Well,
just
there's
trying to
nothing-
take a peek through that window and you had to close it. Oh, there's a fire bottle. Fire bottle. That's what I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, you can plug the actual charger.
Whoa.
It has the thing, but we
Sort of see me.
See it.
Just
See what they're
the cord's messed up.
See what the magicians are doing.
Dude, can you give me a minute, please? Please?
Oh. Gee.
Other places.
You don't want to put this on. Alright. I'll try and find out if they are even coming home at all. I'm just gonna stay at soccer the whole night. Because they do have soccer. But I'm not into that anymore. It's tricky. I'm not into that. Stay on hold. Okay. Let's stop the recording.
Alright, I'll buy it all.
Whoa.
Or you had already planned it.
My friends are still not home.
Oh,
But
yeah. I had to, right?
I just wanted to see what
Well,
I
I
look
never
like.
saw my daughter. I had to,
Um, they might not be coming home until who knows when. So I'll have to post it tomorrow. Because as far as I know, they don't have soccer. And
14, 15-hour shifts.